Good morning, students. Welcome to Social Science Class 6. Today we are going to learn new lesson, Unit 2, Great Thinker and New Faith. In this lesson, we are going to learn about two important persons. First one is Buddha and second one is Mahavira. Both are two important persons. And next we are going to see about similarities and dissimilarities between Jainism and Buddhism. Let's move on to the lesson. Intellectual awakening. Religious was started in 6th century and the peoples are fighting for wars. Then slowly peoples are changed into religious, calm. So here is the important period in the history of ancient India. At the same time, landmark also developed in that period. They kept and the of landmark is called as shower of stars with that name of shower of stars. Next topic, now we are going to see about important literary sources. Jain text in Angas, Buddhist text in Tripitakas and Jatakas. Jatakas means telling stories about Buddha period and life. This is called literary sources. Next topic is causes for the rise of intellectual awakening and the birth of Buddhism and Jainism. In this para, we are going to see now intellectual awakening raised and what are problems are held from common people in intellectual awakening. Intellectual awakening for rises for many reasons because the common people are more in superstitious and they are more confusion to which they want to follow, and at the same time caste problem, ritual problems and slave also. These types of problems are held in this period. This all are held in the intellectual awakening period. This is the reason why the intellectual awakening are raised in the later Vedic period. There are complex rituals and the people are followed. The celebrated, expensive, sacrificial, they were taught about sacrificial and ceremonies. Are you clear, children? Very good. To the people, but people not understand. For this reason, the old process and stopped and new Buddhism and started this is a why causes for the intellectual awakening and the birth of Buddhism and Jainism. Buddhism and Jainism started origin of Jainism. In this para, first we are going to see how Jainism became important and how Tritikaras published their religious to the people. This all are present in the origin of Jainism. Tritikara's peoples moved from one place to other place. They explained about the religious truth to the people. This type of way they published to the people. First Tritikaras was Rishabha. The last one was Mahavira. In the 6th century, Mahavira was a guider way for Jainism. Then Jainism becomes prominent, means important. So, my dear students, now we are going to know how Jainism became important and how they published their religions to the people. Are you clear, children? I think you all understand very clearly in this para. Okay, thank you, children. Have a nice day.